Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Alex Xavier, the phone collector. Today we're gonna be having I got another package from eBay. This phone is supposed to be called the Cricket Calypso 2. So yeah, my mom. So it was already open because my mom it had her name, so she decided to cut the top part. So yeah, that's why. Oh shit! Wait, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to do that, but I may blur that or no, I don't know. Don't know why there's a piece of cardboard. And yeah, this is another unboxing video I'm doing. Alright, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go compare the other one that I have. That is Google locked. Oh shit. Here it is. Here's this one right here that I have compared to this one. So this one right here is a little different because this one was like $1. This one was like 32. I don't know. This one was more expensive. This one's very cheap. I mean very cheap. I got a great deal. I got this at the flea market, and it was very cheap for like $1. I got it with the ZTE Quest and PureTalk Logic X1. The PureTalk Logic X1. This one is Google locked and I cannot bypass it, and I can't do anything about it because it had a password when I turned it on at the beginning, and there was literally nothing I can figure out to bypass the password. So yeah, pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this label. I don't know what this is. And I don't know what these stickers are, but I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them, right? Alright, I'm back. I removed the stickers, and yeah, it's a little sticky on the back, so let's see if it has any juice or not. So fingers crossed, let's see if it turns on. Oh, it did! Alright, I'll turn on the other one too, but this is Google locked. Alright, here, both of them. If you're wondering, right here, I'm sitting down a little bit. This one's Google locked. This one is probably not. No, this one's Google locked. And this one compared right here is a little sticky on the back, so I'll have to wipe that down after the video. So yeah. Yeah, there's like a few differences because this one's locked. And yeah, if you don't want your account to have a Google lock, all you have to do is go to settings, go to Google, go to accounts, and tap your Google account and tap the three dots, and it says remove account, and there you go. You won't have a Google lock when you reset it. Oh, here we go. No way! It actually works! Oh my god. Look at this pure beauty device. Oh my god. Look at the design. It's so edged. Oh my, it's so designable. It's so great. The design's so great. I can't stop looking at it. This one is unfortunately Google locked. I can't, unfortunately, so I'm gonna show you. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and here it is. This is the one that was worth $1. And yep, it's on the lock screen, and yep, currently very locked. Can't do nothing about it. And yeah, I don't know. If I put in my pin, if I actually get the right pin, I think I'll be able to bypass it. Or I think it will probably give me the same account. So yeah, this is locked. And yeah, I'll show you the other one right here. It works perfectly, no issues. Yeah, very. Right here. Alright, the notifications. Alright, sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear this. Hold on. I don't know. I'll find out after the video, but it works perfectly. Let's see what Android version it runs. About phone. Android 11, it is on Android, I don't know. '11. Oh, a little cat emoji. Kitty, kitty. And yeah, that's the two different comparisons between the two of them because this one is locked and this one is not locked. because this one was originally used. So yeah. And yes, I had to clean up my mess that I made in the video. So yep, I threw it away in this trash can right there. Yeah, that's my trash can where I throw away all my stuff that I have, which is not that big though, but yeah. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video unboxing, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my daily videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy and see you in the next one. Peace.